When I was a kid, mom always blanked me to be honest no matter what. Told, tells, telling, had told. Sandali lang, baka mamaya maguluhan kayo sa always kasi baka isipin nyo laging ginagawa. So dapat habitual, dapat simple present, which is tells. Mom always tells. Pero remember, meron tayo ditong past time indicator. At yung past time indicator, sinasabi na yung action, although habitual siya at lagi siyang ginagawa ni mom mo, in the past na siya. When you were a kid, nung bata ka pa. So since dito, meron tayong hinahanap na habitual past or repeated past, ang gagamitin natin ay simple past. Ang simple past lang naman natin is yung past form ng verb natin. So in this case, ang past form ng tell ay told. So mom always told me to be honest no matter what.